What's going on, guys? Back in the video. Today I'm back here with Andrea at Changi Car Park 1 for another kayak fishing adventure. So today we're going to go to around Pulau Ubin, and right now it's really early. It's like 7 and we're planning to get back at around 2 to 3. So today the plan is just to catch big fish. We're not doing much exploring, we're just going for big fish. Hopefully, like, the main culprits are the groupers, the snappers, the mangrove jack, and the barramundi. So it's a fast go in and out trip. I think we should get the boat all ready, and we're gonna launch as soon as possible because we need to get back around 2 to 3. So we're gonna get going and tie lines. Okay, so we're gonna be using the heavy-duty single Apollo from SG Fishing Rigs. They have great rigs, go check them out. Hopefully you can catch like a big grouper on this. Yeah. Grab a very juicy live prawn. And we're gonna wait for a big fish to bite. Let's cast it out. Okay, this should give us some big snapper or something. Feels them heavy. Oh shoot! No, I think got fish. Where? I don't know if it's a fish or not. Sure. Oh, seems like a... I think it might be a catfish, guys. Fights a bit like a catfish. Actually, please be a big grouper.
Yeah, don't be a catfish.
Yeah, don't be a... Voila. It's heavy, but it's not really fighting.
Not really.
Yeah, on the fish finder it says it should be fish. Hopefully it's fish. Big grouper? Please don't be a big catfish, please. No. Oh shit! It's my anchor. Shit! It's my anchor. Oh my god. Yeah, shit.
Yeah, it's an anchor.
Wow. I was actually very confused at what that is. Okay, we're at the Kelong. Multi-species bottom hunter. We're gonna try to get some kind of small fishes, I guess, with this. Okay, we got our small hooks ready. Yes, fish on, guys. Fish on.
Alright, man. I don't
Wow. Yeah.
It's a small one.
It's a big one, guys. Yes, fish on. Wow, it's quite big actually. Okay, good size, good size. Yes, I got it. I got a good sized fish. She got snagged.
Just wait a while, wait for it to come out. Wait for it to come out. Release it, wait for it to come. We have time.
It feels like it's on this.
Yeah.
So it's not gonna swim out. Oh, okay, guys, it's out. It's out of the line. Oh yes, sickle fish. Yes, we were trying to get the hook out of the snag for so long. This feels like a joke. Because this sickle fish is like, yeah, finally you caught a sickle fish, but the size is okay lah. It's a start. I think same plan as always, put it on the stringer. Okay, yeah, I think we're gonna same plan, put it on the stringer and see if we get anything better. Because if we don't get anything better, this might be our only fish today. Haha, sickle fish. Yeah, sickle fish. Nice.
Not bad.
Yeah, not bad. Gave a pretty good fight on the light setup. Okay, bye bye sickle fish. Nice. First fish of the day. Wait, what?
Heavy.
Oh, yay!
Yeah, alright!
Yes, a pony fish. Guys, we caught a pony fish. What do you do?
Put it back.
Bye bye. Fish on the small rod. Wow! I wish you catch it. It's like a John snapper. It's like tanda. Nice. Wow, tanda.
Yeah, but
Maybe put it in here.
I'm still gonna bring this home.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cook this for my baby.
Russell snapper. Yes, hopefully it's another Russell snapper. Wow, another Russell snapper. Wow. Another Russell snapper.
Okay.
How are you catching so many Russell snappers?
This all happens to me.
It's like a family of Russell snapper. And you can
I'm gonna bring home to make fish soup.
Nice, Russell snapper. No. Another one. Wow, so many Russell snappers.
I can feel it, I can feel it.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes! Guys, I don't know what this is. What the? I don't know if it feels like a fish. Honestly, I think it might be a stingray. Oh, yeah, it's definitely a fish. Oh shit! Stingray! Wow! Ha. Blue spotted stingray. What the shit? I think can.
Can, right? It's quite good.
Yeah. We just cut off the tail. Yes, guys, blue ring stingray or something.
Damn beautiful.
Yeah, very beautiful stingray. Yeah, I knew it was a stingray. It didn't didn't put much fight. Let's kill it. I just looked around and saw my rod absolutely being like demolished. My rod was bending like crazy. Gosh. His fishing rod dropped into the sea.
Oh, the stingray.
Andrea's fishing rod dropped into the sea. Okay, so guys, an update. We have caught like a lot of small fish and one big, like good sized stingray. I think we're gonna eat it. The last time I tried to catch a stingray, my mom made me let it go. No, not let it go, like give it away. So I think we should keep this one because stingrays are actually very delicious. So we're gonna keep this stingray and we're gonna try to cook it with some sambal. So right now it's like we are kind of at like the mid end of our fishing trip. This is our last spot, the Malan Papan Beacon. So we're just trying to catch some big fish here. We haven't had much luck the whole day. And also Andrea's rod fell into the sea. He was too busy looking at my stingray. His rod fell into the sea. Last time Aloysius' rod dropped into the sea. Next trip I'm gonna look after my rod very carefully. Just know that. Okay. So we're just leaving the stingray in the net. I don't know how to retrieve my Crusader Tenya, but we're gonna chop off the tail once it gets to shore. If you are tired of fishing like at the shore and using your surf casters or like going to very expensive fishing trips on charters, these boats can be perfect for you. You can go pretty far. Today we've gone all around Pulau Ubin. You can go pretty much anywhere a regular kayak can. These boats are very spacious. You have a lot more space than regular kayaks and you can put a lot more stuff inside and a lot more leg room than regular kayaks. They are also really good for fishing. You can go like basically anywhere on the sea and catch a lot of fish. So if you're interested in one of these boats, you can actually go to the link in the description and check out my carousel and you can buy one of these boats. They are great for fishing. They have a lot of space. They are very fast. So check the link in the description. It's around 2 o'clock and we're preparing to go back. We've used most of the prawns. The stingray is still in the water. So today the trip is like the bite rate was super slow, so we had to switch to some small hooks. We got like one big fish, which was a stingray. And we got like 3 small fish, single fish, and the 2 also snappers. So the bite rate was super bad. Hopefully next time when we come, the bite rate would be good. Probably we would try out Ubin or Pastor Riss. Try out, the Ubin mangrove spot. This is already Ubin. We might try out the mangroves or, around Pastor Riss. So, right now we're planning to go back. We're just gonna hit the back trip. It's gonna be kind of tiring. So, yeah, I guess we'll see you in the next episode.